Hi, today I will present it, our research in international seminars. This is about designs men's bag using doyo weavings and sulam tumpar. Introductions of this research. Doyo weaving is a typical Dayak woven fabric made from doyo plant fibers whose habitat is widely found in East Kalimantan province, Indonesia. Doyo weaving can be combined with traditional regional embroidery, namely sulam tumpar. This embroidery has an interesting characteristic in terms of the motif that characterize the regional culture. The use of doyo weavings and sulam tumpar is often used in handicraft products and also women's fashion products. Research of this problem. Home industry in East Kalimantan continue to survive in the current COVID-19 pandemic conditions. One way to survive in this condition is to innovate products to increase profit. These innovations can be done through the use of existing raw materials to produce products that are different from before, especially in East Kalimantan. Research of objective. To solve this problem, innovation is needed by making men's bags products that use doyo weaving and tumpar embroidery, where so far there have not been found men's bags using doyo weavings and tumpar embroidery. The bag design is for the needs of the new normal as container for men's needs during the COVID-19 pandemic by displaying local regional motif from East Kalimantan. Contributions of the research. The contributions of this research is to design new handicraft products that are of interest to men by making bags for the needs of the pandemic which characterize the local culture motif of East Kalimantan and indirectly opening new market in the midst of current COVID-19 pandemic condition in East Kalimantan. The method of the study. This study applies the product development method of Nigel Cross. The product development method consists of four main steps, which will be combined with the concept engineering methods to find input from customer, explorations, generations, evaluations, and also communications. Finding and discussion, explorations. At this stage, the initial research process is carried out to seek input from customer who will wear men's bags products with a combination of material from Doyo weavings and typical embroidery from the Dayak tribe in East Kalimantan. Input from customer in the form of questionnaires distributed to 50 male gender respondents aged 20 to 50 years. From the result of the questionnaire, it is often the main factor that can be used in designing this man bag product. This stage also looks for the data about the contents of the bag during the new normal period, such as starter kit for new normal. This is the starter kit for the new normal. We can see it from this picture, the starter kit for the new normal. Generations and evaluations. This stage was carried out by the process of adjusting the results of the questionnaire with the technical requirements of designing a men's bags product by displaying doyo weavings and tumpar embroidery. This adjustment resulted in several things that were a response to the factors that exist at the exploration stage, namely material color factors. The material used in a combinations of ingredients from natural products. The main material is a leather. The skin color chosen is a dark color, which is dark brown according to input from customer. Additional materials that will be highlighted in the men's bag product with the nuance of Dayak tribe are Doya weavings and also Tumpar embroidery. Form and system. The shape of this product design is in the form of box, which is a contemporary design style. This form was chosen based on input from customer who wanted more of this men's bag to be used in casual and formal activity. The connection system between the strap and the back body uses a stainless steel back hook system. Activity and configurations. This factor will analyze activities related to the product use. To support user activities, this product needs to highlight doyo weaving and tumpar embroidery. This product requirement is in the form of a slot or area that is used to store the starter kit for the new normal during casual formal activities. Ergonomic and anthropometry, the general dimensions of man's shoulder, which is 470 millimeter, which is the basis for determining the maximum length of the back. Choose the length of the man's back is 250 millimeter. To determine the width of the back, it takes the size of the hand length of the 95 percentile adult male with a value of 195 millimeter. This data is the maximum back width. For the back design in this study, the back width is 150 millimeter. To measure the length of a bottom of the back, data on the width of the male hand is 95 percentile with a value of 90 millimeter. This value is the value for the maximum size, so that the length of the base of this bag is adjusted to 80 millimeter. This is the display of ergonomic and also anthropometry. Communication. And this communication stage, product designs and development reach the final stage, which is the conclusions of the generations and evaluation stage, the final result of a men's bag that accentuates elements of East Kalimantan Dayak culture, which the additions of doyo, weaving, and tumpar embroidery will look like the image below. The product innovations proposed in this study in the form of the use of doyo and tumpar web in a men's bag is expected to add a new target market for home industry in East Kalimantan during the COVID-19 pandemic. This is the sketsa designs of bags from Dayak tribe. Prayer mats, bottle, lunchbox, fork and spoon, mask, hand sanitizer, wet wipe, and dry wipes. Conclusion. The decline in sale of handicraft products due to the COVID-19 pandemic has made the home industry have to innovate better. Handicraft product innovation was carried out by making men's bag product using doya weaving and tumpar embroidery for the new normal needs in this pandemic, but still highlighting regional elements from East Kalimantan. The product innovation produced in the study is a bag using doya weaving and tumpar. This men's bags industry product innovations is expected to add a new target market from home industry in East Kalimantan during the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.